Okay, hi guys, it's your girl, Lovely Pamela, or All Things Beautiful, whichever channel this uploads on. And I am back. I know I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back with a review for this hair. And then I have a video of what I bought previously. So let's start with this. First of all, I have decided to do a quick weave. And so I picked up the Kanubia 5 Sensational Hair. And it's like a wave pattern. I want to say it's not the, I believe it's the Brazilian wave. And it looks like this. I bought 3 packs because I like my hair big and full, you guys know. So that's kind of the wave pattern. But it looks kind of stringy when you apply it in your hair. So what I did was I went through it. And I left it loose so I could show you guys a good picture. I went through it and flat ironed it a little bit. I mixed it with just plain water. I went through it with a paddle brush because it's very easy to do. And a flat iron with the brass plates on it. And what I did was I just went through and I flat ironed. And this is my hair at the top. And there's also a closure right here. And I cut the closure open. I chose to cut the closure open. And pull my hair out in between it. And then I just added moisturizer to my hair moisturizer. And then I flat ironed it. I also sprayed it into place. My hair, because you guys know my hair is natural, I sprayed it into place with the Got to Be Glue Freeze. It is great for holding the part in your hair. You just spray it in your part and flat iron it, and there it stays. I also applied it to the ends of my hair, but I wanted it to do a little bit more, so I just, like I stated, I went in and I gave it a good flat iron. So I flat ironed out the wave pattern. As you can see, you can still see a little bit of the wave pattern. It was kind of stringy, but I went in and flat ironed all of that so I could do this, because I like my hair with less of the stringy look. So I'll show you how easy that it flat irons right here. And we're just gonna go down. It still comes out bone straight if you want it bone straight with no problem. It didn't burn or anything, as you guys can see. It's just some hair I have left over. Like I said, I have almost 2.5 packs in my head to make it good and full. And it's all the way around. Like I said, just the hair to leave out at the top. So I just want to come in and show you guys that's how it looks. And what I do to maintain it is, as I showed you, this is my maintain. I braid it. And then I put the rubber band on the end. And then I just fold it. And I just comb it down into this little bend to keep it with the little bend. And that's it. And that's how I maintain it. This is Kanubia 5 by Sensational Hair. And if you wanted to buy the straight hair like this, it's still a flat iron, really pretty too. I just took a look. I wanted a wave, but not that much of a wave pattern. So I just took the wave out. And even when you're combing through it, after it's been flat ironed, it's very easy to comb through. If you guys can see that. It flattens out really, really well. I just didn't want it all the way straight because I could have just bought the straight. I wanted a little bit of a wave. And as you guys can see, you can comb the ends, and the ends kind of, they bounce right back. Like you can comb under it. Like I said, this is a little thick. Don't think it's tangly. It's not. The hair actually feels like human hair. So it's just a little bit, like I said, I just spray it with water, set my hair. I put on my silk scarf or my satin bonnet, and that's it. And when I take it loose in the morning, it'll be ready to go. And it's just a full quick weave. And for my quick weave, I shampoo my hair with a Sulfur 8 shampoo for dandruff to keep get any flecks, anything I have. Then I moisturize my scalp. I follow with the Sulfur 8 hair food, or the Light Oil Grow by Softy, the Herbal Grow. I use this. It's the green one, and the reason why, because it does have protein in it and everything that'll feed your hair, and doesn't have a nasty smell, and it melts really quickly. So a little goes a long way because that melts straight through your hair. I do a little bit of blow dry with the comb on the end just to keep it from matting down, because my hair is natural and really, really curly, and I don't have a tight curl pattern on top of that, so it doesn't just mat, and I can just pull the curls out. It's like that loose curl, so it mats down. I also have and after that, I do the paper, which you guys know, the wrap paper that we do, the wrap for African Americans and Brazilians, that we do get our hair wrapped and we get it under the paper and sit on the dry. I use 4 layers of paper. Then I use a thicker stocking cap than they sell at the store. I use a thicker stocking cap than that. So I make sure that's on and secure. And I usually use a little bit of Got to Be spray and take the blow dry so it'll all stick. And then I start applying the bonding. So I don't just use a stocking cap straight up. And I always put something on my edges like Grow Protect and blow dry that on. And I stick the paper to the Grow Protect and blow dry it on. So that's the other thing I do. I stick the paper on the edges. And then I do the blow dry, Grow Protect and all of that. And then I put the stocking cap on. Then I put it on. And the way to take your stocking cap off, ladies, once again, you either use alcohol or the 60-second. And I use the 60-second bonding glue, 60-second oil. It will lift it right off. All you have to do is put it on the parts that you feel are tight and take your fingers and rub it, or take a blow dryer and add a little bit of heat. It will literally lift off. You do not have to rip your edges out. You do not have to do that. This oil they make with a little bit of heat on it, put a towel around you, sit for a couple of seconds, it'll come off. You do not have to do that pull and alcohol and all that. Just a couple of minutes, a little massage, take your hands, a little bit of lift, just a little bit of manipulation, and it will come off. But first of all, you have to have a strong foundation up under there. It has to be something else. Some people use a shower cap. If you're going to use the shower cap method, then put the paper on and let the paper hang out. So when you set the stocking cap on your hair with the hair on it, you can take the Got to Be spray and the Got to Be glue and put it on there and blow dry that on. And then you can do that and then use your 60-second. So your edges will be protected. That's all I'm saying. You don't got to listen to me. But as you can see, I got a head full of hair. So that is it. I want to come on and give you a demo and let you know what type of hair I was using. And I'll give you a review in about a week and a half. I installed it yesterday, which was Saturday. So I will give you a review this following Saturday coming on how well it's holding up for me, the rain, and working out. Okay? This is your girl, Lovely Pamela, or All Things Beautiful. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.